Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel level, select the shape, remove the background, select the orange color, and select another shape, change the color. Select the orange color to back color white. Select the 3D shape, extension, duplicate the shape. Then select another shape, select the 3D shape, extension, change the color of shape. Then select the text edit, select another shape, size the shape, change the color. Change the background color, adjust the color, duplicate the shape, select the color filter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.